this is your math lesson for TLD day 15. Make sure you've got the paper that says lesson 63, okay? And then we're going to start with part 1. Part 1 is your bug problems, okay? You ready? Got your pencil in your hand, got your paper, got my pencil, all right? So problem A, ready? A bug starts at 1 on a number line. Did you write that down? Starts at 1. He pluses 4 spaces. What number? Oh, good gravy. I just gave you the answer, y'all. Goodness, I'm tired. I've been videoing all day. I'm sorry. So let's just read it. Our bug starts at 1 on a number line. He pluses 4 places. He ends up on what number? What number did he end up on? All right, I'll try not to give you the answer this time. Let's go to B. Ready? B. A bug starts at 7 on a number line. Did you write it down? He minuses 1 place. Okay, let's see if you got it. If a bug starts at 7 on a number line, he minuses 1 place. He ends up on what number? Use your number line. Where does the bug end up? I hope you got 6. All right. Okay. Let's look the next one. Ready? A bug starts at 1 on a number line. Did you write down? Bug starts at 1 on a number line. He pluses 5 spaces. He ends up on what number? All right, let's see if you wrote the problem right. A bug starts at 1 on a number line. He pluses 5 places. He ends up on what number? Use your number line. What number does he end up on? He ends up on 6. All right, one more in this section. Ready? Get ready to write for this one, D. A bug starts at 9 on a number line. He minuses he minuses 2 places. And he ends up on what number? So I'm going to say that again because I messed it up. A bug starts at 9 on a number line. He minuses 2 places. What number does he end up on? Let's see if you got it right. He starts at 9. He minuses 2 places. Where does he end up? Get it? 7. All right. All right, I'm going to erase this, and then we're going to move this up and do part 2, okay? Everybody see part 2? All right. We can only get a few of them in there, so let's do these. We can do these together, guys, okay? All right. Ready? Count your 10s, count your 1s, put it in there. Okay, should have had 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Let's count. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. What number? 43. Okay, count your tens and ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. All right, count out loud with me, please. Okay, ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52. Read the number. 52. Okay, count your tens and ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's count. Please count with me. Ready? Go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Read the number. 45. Okay, you should have A, B, and C done. We're going to move down to D. Okay, guys? All right. Let's do D. Ready? Do your tens and ones. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, count out loud with me. Ready? Go. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Ready? Read the number. 34. Okay. Okay, we should have part 2 finished. We're going to go over here to part 3. Okay. All right. Guys, make sure you have your number line, okay, because we're going to need it. Okay. All right, because these are going to be our bug problems, but then we're going to have something missing in our bug problem, okay? All right, let me find it. Okay, A, you ready for the first one? I'm going to write it with you because these are the harder ones. Ready? A bug starts at 10 on a number line. He pluses some places. Some places. We have to put a box because we don't know what that is. He ends up on 11. So he starts at 10 and he ends up on 11. So get your number line up there. And then look where, if the bug starts at 10 right here, and he's going to hop to 11. So how many hops does it take to get from 10 to 11? Look there. I bet you already know it. 1 hop. So put your 1 there. Good job, guys. All right, let's do B. All right. Ready? B. Okay, our bug's starting in the same place. Our bug starts at 10 on a number line right here. And this time he minuses some spaces. And he ends up on 9. Okay? So he starts at 10, but he ends up on 9. So if he starts at 10, he hops to 9. How many hops does it take to get there? Again, I bet you all can already see that. It takes 1 hop. So 10 minus 1 equals 9. Okay? Let's go to C. Ready? This time the bug is going to start on 7. Bug starts at 7 on a number line. He pluses some spaces or places. So, don't know how many he hops. He ends up on 9. Okay? So if he starts at 9, or starts at 7, and he ends up on 9. So here's 7, but he's hopping to 9. How many hops does that take? Okay, look at it. How many hops does it take to get to 9? Count with me. 1, 2. It takes 2 hops. So 7 plus 2 equals 9. Okay? All right, let's do D. All right. Ready? Bug starts at 6 on a number line. He pluses some spaces. He ends up on 8. So if he starts at 6 and he ends up on 8. So here's the 6 and here's the 8. How many hops does our bug have to make? I bet you can do that one. So how many hops was that? 1, 2. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Okay? All right. Got that? We need to go down to part 4. Okay? Part 4. Oh, these are our adding tens. Adding our tens numbers. But I showed you the shortcut. So make sure you got your number line and go ahead. You're going to look. What's 1 plus 1? And you write it right there. Okay? Do that on your number line. 1 plus 1. Start on the 1. Hop 1 space. What do you land on? I hope you landed on 2. And then we've got to put our 0. All right? So, what's this number? Let's read it. Ready? 20. So let's read the problem. Ready? 10 plus 10 equals 20. All right? Let's go to B. Take that 4 plus 2. Do 4 on your number line. Add 2. What do you end up on? Write it there. 4 plus 2. I hope you got 6. Put your 0. Let's read our number. Ready? 60. Read the problem. 40 plus 20 equals 60. Okay? All right, let's go to this one. Take your 5 plus 1. Do that on your number line. Start at 5, hop 1. What do you land on? And put it right there, okay? 5 plus 1 equals 6. And then put your 0. See your zeros? All right, let's read the number. Ready? 60. Ready? Let's read the problem. 50 plus 10 equals 60. All right? Last one. 2 plus 7. All right, start at 2. Make 7 hops. 2, make 7 hops. What did you land on? Hope you write it right there. Hope you got a 9. Then put your 0. Let's read the number. Ready? 90. Read the problem. Oops. Ready? 20 plus 70 equals 90. All right? Okay, guys, let's flip it over. take a moment to go ahead and put your numbers in our tens and ones chart, okay? There's two tricky ones there. I hope you get them right. If you need to stop the video to get it written in there, go ahead and pause it. Okay, ready? Let's read the number. Ready? 6. Do I have 6 tens or 6 ones? I bet you all already know. That doesn't trick you all, does it? You have 6 ones. All right, let's read the number. Ready? Go. 26. I have 2 tens, 6 ones. Ready? Let's read the number. Ready? 60. I have 6 tens and 0 ones. Let's read. Remember, this is one of the ones we read backwards. Ready? 16. 1 10, 6 ones. Ready? Read the number. 4. 4 tens or 4 ones. That doesn't get you all anymore, does it? 4 ones. All right, guys, I'm going to shorten it again today for you. I do want you to do part 6, do these subtraction problems, okay? So you can stop the video and do those, or you can hold on to them for the end, okay? Decide what you want to do. When you're ready, we're going to move down to the bottom, and I'm going to shorten it today. Guess what? I'm not going to make you do these today, all right? Lessons are getting a little long, all right? So just put an X on that and get your shapes page out, okay? Now, we're going to look at the top, and I'm going to give you a couple of new words, okay? So look, it says two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes are flat, like a circle. Isn't a circle flat, but it's round around the edge? Think of a square. A square is flat, but it's got 4 sides. What about a triangle? It's flat, but it's got 3 sides, okay? So, it says you can describe two-dimensional shapes by their attributes. Look at this shape. This shape has 4 sides. Look at this shape. He has 1 side. Well, let me change color so you can actually see it. All right. He has 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides. He has 4 sides. Okay. It has 4 corners. Well, here's a corner, here's a corner, here's a corner, and here's a corner. He has 4 angles. Now, angles where they come together. It's like the corner, but the angle, it's like it's where it opens up. There's an angle. Here's an angle. 2, 3, and 4. It has 4 angles. 2 of the sides have the same length. So let's look at that. Do you see this side and this side are the same? Is this side and this side the same? No, this one's shorter, isn't it? Okay, let's look at this. An angle is formed when 2 sides meet. So do you see where these 2 sides meet? That's an angle, okay, right there. And I showed you where we had 4 angles, okay? So let's go down here, and it says, write the number of sides and angles for each shape. Circle each angle as you count. All right, I'm going to show you my little trick for how I count sides, so I don't count a side twice, okay? All right, so do this with me. Got your pencil in your hand? Ready? I'm going to make a little mark. 1 side, 2 sides, 3, 4, 5. So that shape has 5 sides. Right here, we're going to put that there. Now, how many angles does it have? Well, remember where the 2 sides meet is an angle. So, let's circle the angles. Here's an angle. Look where they come together. There's an angle. There's one. Here's one, and here's one. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. Look at that. Oh goodness. Look at this one. Holy cow. Y'all ready? You got your pencil to mark the sides? Ready? Let's do it. Here's one side. 1, 2. See that? That's a side. Whoops. And then here's one. So what am I at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this shape has 12 sides. I wonder how many angles it has. Okay, remember the angles where the two sides meet. So let's circle the angles. Here's an angle. Here's one. Now look at this one. That's where the two sides meet. So that's 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Then circle that one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ah, 12. You see something? 5 sides, 5 angles. 12 sides, 12 angles. You seeing a pattern here? Okay, let's look at this one. This is a triangle, isn't it? How many sides does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. So 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides. All right, let's count the angles. All right, look where the two sides come together. There's an angle. Right here, there's an angle. Right here, there's an angle. So 1, 2, 3 angles. Are you seeing something? This shape 5 and 5, 12 and 12, 3 and 3. So the number of sides matches the number of angles. Okay? All right, I'm going to have to erase. So let's go down to this next row. All right. Now let's count the sides. Here's one side here. There's another one. 2, 3. Hope you're counting with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many sides? 8 sides. I check. Let's count our sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you get 7? All right, now let's circle. Make sure you circled your angles. There's 1 at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It matches. 7. 7 angles. All right, guys. I hope you were able to get all your math finished. Make sure you go do those few subtraction problems. Remember to tell Mom and Dad if you have any questions, you can email me or call school. Science and social studies, just either watch the video or read the articles that go with it. You don't have to write anything down, okay? That I'm not going to be grading that, so just look at the information, okay? All right, guys, miss ya.